Moringa, often celebrated as the miracle tree, is gaining recognition for its substantial health benefits, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. This nutrient-packed plant offers a host of advantages that can help address both the symptoms and underlying factors of diabetes, enhancing overall health and wellness. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 benefits of incorporating moringa into a diabetic diet. From its potent antioxidant properties to its ability to improve cholesterol levels and support metabolic health, moringa is a powerful ally in the management of diabetes. Now let's start our countdown of the 5 benefits of moringa for diabetes. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, let's talk about the fantastic antioxidant powers of moringa and why it's such a great choice for anyone managing diabetes. Moringa leaves are like nature's powerhouse, packed with some incredible antioxidants, including quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and vitamin C. These aren't just fancy names. They play a vital role in fighting oxidative stress, which is a big concern for those with diabetes. So what is oxidative stress? Think of it as a brawl inside your body between the bad guys, free radicals, and the good guys, the antioxidants. When the bad guys outnumber the good ones, it can lead to damage at a cellular level. For someone with diabetes, this imbalance can make complications like nerve damage, kidney issues, and eye problems worse. But here's where moringa steps in. Its antioxidants are like reinforcements that help even out the fight, protecting your cells and keeping your body's defenses strong. Now, let's break down those antioxidants a bit. Quercetin is a bit of a hero. It's known for calming inflammation and tackling the oxidative stress that can make insulin resistance tougher to handle. Chlorogenic acid is another ally that helps manage your blood sugar by influencing how your body handles sugar, especially after you eat, keeping those spikes at bay. And don't forget about vitamin C. It not only helps heal wounds faster, which is crucial if your body is slow to recover, but it also helps keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Adding moringa to your diet, whether it's a sprinkle of moringa powder into your smoothies or a sip of it as a tea, is a simple way to boost your antioxidant intake. Just think of it as equipping your body with the right tools to keep it running smoothly and keeping those complications at arm's length. Remember though, while moringa is powerful, it's part of a bigger picture that includes a balanced diet and regular medical checkups. Continuing our countdown at number 4 is the benefit of moringa in potentially reducing blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect for managing diabetes. The effectiveness of moringa in lowering blood sugar can be attributed primarily to its content of isothiocyanates. These compounds are potent in enhancing the body's response to insulin. By increasing insulin sensitivity, isothiocyanates help the cells in the body absorb glucose more efficiently, preventing high blood sugar levels and aiding in overall blood sugar regulation. This mechanism is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, who often struggle with insulin resistance. Furthermore, moringa has been shown to have effects similar to conventional diabetic medications, which function by enhancing insulin secretion or by modulating glucose absorption in the intestines. This dual action not only helps in lowering fasting blood sugar levels, but also improves the postprandial after eating glucose levels, which are critical measures in diabetes management. Several research studies have documented the effectiveness of moringa in lowering blood glucose levels. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology evaluated the effects of moringa leaf powder on diabetic patients and found significant reductions in fasting blood sugar levels among those who consumed moringa compared to a control group. The study attributed these effects to the high antioxidant content and the presence of isothiocyanates in moringa, which enhance insulin sensitivity. Another research study conducted and published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition explored the role of moringa in improving postprandial glucose control. This study provided participants with a standard meal followed by moringa capsules. The results indicated that moringa could help lower post-meal blood sugar levels, suggesting its potential to manage not just fasting glucose, but also spikes in glucose levels after meals. These studies reinforce the role of bioactive compounds in moringa. By facilitating more effective glucose uptake by cells, these compounds help stabilize blood sugar levels, offering a natural complement to traditional diabetes treatments. For individuals interested in exploring natural adjunct therapies for diabetes, integrating moringa into their dietary regimen could be beneficial. However, as always, it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers before starting any new supplement, especially for conditions like diabetes, where blood sugar levels need to be carefully monitored and managed. Sliding into number 3 on our countdown, let's focus on the anti-inflammatory properties of moringa, a superstar in the management of diabetes. Chronic inflammation isn't just a minor irritant, it's a central player in the onset of diabetes and a culprit behind many of its most severe complications, like cardiovascular diseases, kidney damage, and eye issues like retinopathy. Moringa steps into this fray armed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds such as isothiocyanates and flavonoids. These aren't just powerful by name, they actively work to reduce inflammation throughout your body. They do this by blocking the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. Think of these as the signal boosters that escalate inflammation in your body. A compelling study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology showcased how various extracts from moringa leaves were able to suppress inflammatory markers in laboratory settings. This isn't just interesting science, it suggests that adding moringa to your diet could help manage the inflammation that exacerbates the challenges of diabetes, but that's not all. The anti-inflammatory action of moringa might also play a significant role in tackling insulin resistance, a frequent issue for those with type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance can worsen due to ongoing inflammation, but by calming this inflammation, moringa helps enhance insulin sensitivity. This means your body can manage blood sugar levels more efficiently, providing better overall glucose control. Incorporating moringa into your daily regimen is easy and versatile. Whether you prefer stirring moringa powder into your morning smoothie, brewing it into a soothing tea, or sprinkling it over your salad, each method can be a step towards curbing inflammation. Remember, managing diabetes effectively involves addressing inflammation head-on, and with moringa's help, you're well equipped to do just that. As we move to number 2 on our list, we delve into the impressive effects of moringa on cholesterol levels, an essential aspect for individuals with diabetes who often face an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Managing cholesterol effectively is crucial because imbalances in lipid profiles, particularly high levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and triglycerides, can lead to the development of heart disease. Moringa has demonstrated significant potential in improving lipid profiles. This beneficial plant contains several bioactive compounds that can influence lipid metabolism positively. Studies have shown that moringa can lower levels of harmful LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. LDL is often referred to as bad cholesterol because it can build up in the walls of arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, which can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. By reducing these levels, moringa helps keep the arteries clear and reduces the burden on the cardiovascular system. In addition to lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, moringa may also help increase levels of HDL, high-density lipoprotein cholesterol known as good cholesterol. HDL helps remove other forms of cholesterol from your bloodstream, thus protecting against heart disease. Enhancing HDL levels is particularly beneficial for diabetic individuals as it contributes to a healthier lipid balance and reduces cardiovascular risk. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology examined the effects of moringa leaf powder on lipid profiles in diabetic patients. The results indicated that participants who consumed moringa showed a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, along with an increase in HDL cholesterol compared to those who did not. Incorporating moringa into a diabetic diet could, therefore, be advantageous for managing not only blood sugar levels, but also for improving cholesterol levels, thereby enhancing cardiovascular health. Topping our list at number 1 is the remarkable nutrient density of moringa, making it an exceptional choice for anyone, particularly those managing diabetes. As a miracle tree, moringa is celebrated not only for its health-promoting properties, but also for its impressive nutritional profile. Moringa leaves are an excellent source of many essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamins A, vital for healthy vision, skin health, and immune function. Vitamin C, known for its immunity-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. And vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body against oxidative stress. All antioxidants that play critical roles in maintaining immune function, protecting against cell damage, and supporting overall health. Additionally, moringa is a good source of calcium, which is essential for bone health and muscular function, and potassium, which helps manage blood pressure levels, a concern for many diabetic patients. The plant also provides a substantial amount of protein, a necessary component for repairing tissues and maintaining muscle mass, which is crucial for overall metabolism. For diabetic individuals, maintaining a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can sometimes be challenging due to dietary restrictions and the body's impaired ability to process certain foods. Moringa's high nutrient content can help address these deficiencies and support metabolic processes, making it a valuable supplement for improving general well-being and managing symptoms associated with diabetes. So why not add moringa to your smoothies, soups, and salads? You can even brew it as tea. Its versatility and nutritional richness make it an excellent addition to a health-conscious diet, particularly for those seeking to manage diabetes naturally. And there you have it, the 5 benefits of moringa for diabetes. If you found this video helpful and are considering adding moringa to your health regimen, remember to consult with your healthcare provider first, especially if you're managing diabetes or other health conditions. It's essential to ensure that moringa is a safe and harmonious addition to your existing treatment plan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. We regularly explore natural remedies and healthy living tips that can make a significant impact on your well-being. Drop a comment below if you've tried moringa. We love hearing from you, and we are here to support your journey to better health. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle, one informed choice at a time. Thanks for watching, and have a healthy and happy day.